all
Fighter
matches
ready.
won and lost
Fighter
today
ready.
will have
Fight.
semi-final ramifications as we get ready for the men's lightweight bout between Samir the Wolf Janjotra representing Team Pavan Man in the green trunks against Siddharth the Bull Chandan Shive representing Mumbai and Bharat Kandhare in the red corner. Nice left hook landed there. Good head movement by Samir immediately. Beautiful leg kick. He's moving slickly. Return fire from Siddharth Chandan Shive. Another leg kick landed there. Both these men are wrestlers, and sometimes when you have two wrestlers facing off against one another, they resort to striking because the wrestling cancels each other out. Samir tried to quickly run in with that one. Beautiful inside leg kick by Samir. You can see that the minute Siddharth smiled, it's a sign of getting hurt. Beautiful body lock to slam straight to the mat into side control, landing those heavy shots. Looking to get his back there, landed a nice right hook there, dragging him to the mat again. You can see this is those years of wrestling throughout his life, those years of wrestling coming into play here as he manages control. He's trying to get a hold of Siddharth's hand here, but Siddharth doing a good job trying to posture up. Huge strikes being landed, and this is what we were worried about with. Now hang on, now this is what I don't agree to, because he's in a position of power. He was pushed him up against the ropes, and to reset them in the center is absolute rubbish. I don't agree with this completely. But here we go. Nevertheless, they reset, and Samir takes the center again. Siddharth Chandan Shive, big spinning back fist. Oh, that hurt him, but immediately Samir goes back to his bread and butter, shoots for that double, and gets him down to the ground to slow down the proceedings. Looking for a mounted arm triangle there. He's trying to trap Siddharth's left arm between his legs so he has no way to move. But that requires some patience and time because Siddharth is no slouch off his back. He's scrambling beautifully, but the pace certainly has slowed down. You can see Coach Pavan Man telling his fighter who's in his line of sight, telling him to slow down, take his time. There's no rush. This fight is going to go 3 rounds. Take his time, bide his time, take a breather here as well. And you can see Samir, the absolute student, taking his time to listen to his coach. Comes forward with a 1-2. Nice left hook there, but oh! Siddharth Chandan Shive, hang on, that was a slip. Whoa, I can't control myself, ladies and gentlemen. It is incredible action as this fight has started. Both Siddharth Chandan Shive and Samir swinging for the fences here. Big right hand, nice jab landed by Samir. Nice inside leg kick by Siddharth Chandan Shive. Taking his time now. Siddharth trying to slow this fight down. Beautiful outside leg kick. Trying to break down that lead leg so that Samir can't shoot effectively. Again another leg kick. And Samir will begin to start feeling that. Another leg kick landed with Siddharth Chandan Shive. Another one over and over. Samir needs to start checking those leg kicks. And boom goes the dynamite straight to the ground. Into side control. Sorry, into half guard here. But you can, Siddharth had a hook underneath for a second. Now he's in mount. And this is a bad spot. Samir looking to push him up against the fence. And he's in his corner. Huge right hand there. Siddharth Chandan Shive needs to get out of this position because wrestlers have a huge, strong top game. Siddharth doing the best he can. He's trying to lock himself up. He's trying to create no distance there. But right now he's giving Samir too much space to work in. Big hammer fist landed there. And Samir just needs to bide his time. Knee across the chest. And now he's got his arm trapped. Hammer fist. Siddharth Chandan Shive staying calm and patient. Another right hand. Huge combinations over and over again. Oh! Big shots! Wow! Oh my goodness! The ferocity of that 1-2 from the top position. You can see Siddharth Chandan Shive. He's got a little welt on above his right eye. And you can see he's hurting. Big deep breaths. He's in a little bit of trouble. Fight! 10 seconds remaining. Both these men have given it their all. And what a chin on Siddharth Chandan Shive. He took those shots like a champ. But has
Stop!
he weathered the storm? Time will tell as we get ready for round number 2.
Fighter ready? Fighter ready? Fight!
Here we go. Round number 2 of this opening contest of the Kumite Warrior Hunt Fight Night number 2. Samir in the green trunks, Siddharth the Bull Chandan Shive in the purple trunks, representing Team Bharat Kandhare. And again, oh, big right hand, just caught him at the edge of his chin. But this is where he needs to be careful. He can't get overconfident. He can't get reckless, because right now he's in the lead. He's one round up. And Siddharth Chandan Shive, remember something, it's mixed martial arts. It's a chess game. It's a matter of time. Huge slam takedown. Almost fell, threw him out of the ring there. Incredible. Siddharth trying to watch his back to his feet, pushes Samir off. Man, oh man, what a fight we've had on our hands here. Samir showed good head movement, staying there, but he's looking for that one big right hand, that one fast ball that knocks out his opponent. He had a lot of success. Oh, beautiful calf kick. Oh! Oh, huge left hook. Landed and Samir is down. Siddharth Chandan Shive has just closed the show. What a finish. Wow. Sweeping right leg kick knocked his opponent down. Huge right hand that dropped Samir, and then it was the barrage of ground and pound to steal the show. What a performance by Siddharth Chandan Shive.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for me to announce the winner by technical knockout. The Satsport.com winner is from the red corner, Siddharth the Bull Chandan Shive. Siddharth, Samir, Anna and Ali, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में? You were really enjoying the fight.
I was enjoying the fight क्योंकि two men were fighting. I was enjoying the fight क्योंकि शेर लड़ रहे थे. दोनों की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. सिद्धार्थ, समीर, ये देखने के बाद जरूर ये लगता है कि MMA in India has arrived. आप हो इस देश की जान और शान. दोनों शेर की तरह लड़े. पता नहीं चल रहा था कौन कब क्या करने वाला है. एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी रेजिलियंस, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी फाइटिंग स्किल्स और वो क्षमता, वो ताकत पंच लेने की. एक फाइटर ये हमेशा सोचता है कि मैं पंच मारूंगा, लेकिन क्या वो पंच खा सकता है? वो आज आप दोनों ने दिखाया. समीर, फर्स्ट राउंड के बाद मैंने आपसे कहा भी, आप पैर पे ज्यादा ध्यान दे रहे, मारते ही आप आपका गार्ड ड्रॉप कर रहे हो. गार्ड ड्रॉप मत करना. फॉर एवरी फाइटर याद रखना, अपना गार्ड जिस दिन आप नीचे छोड़ोगे उस दिन अपोनेंट आपको मारेगा. तो चाहे कुछ भी हो, अपना गार्ड, क्योंकि यही है आपकी कवच. और अगर आप कवच को ड्रॉप कर दिए, सिद्धार्थ ने वो एडवांटेज लिया, वापस आपके पांव पे मारा और आपको हुक लगा. इसलिए 2 मिनट लगता है. बट बोथ ऑफ यू, जीत एक की डेफिनेटली हुई है, लेकिन मेरे लिए दोनों शेर है. एंड यू आर अनाउंसिंग, you both are announcing, yes, क्योंकि आप दोनों देश को रिप्रेजेंट करोगे और ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. गॉड ब्लेस. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया. समीर, आपको भी, और सिद्धार्थ आपको भी. फैंटास्टिक. गॉड ब्लेस.
समीर, सिद्धार्थ, अन्ना ने राइटली बोला कि आप दोनों शेर की तरह लड़े हो, शेर की तरह. और ये मैच देख के मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि मैं इंडिया में ऐसे MMA फाइट देख रहा हूँ. ऐसी फाइट इंडिया में यानी पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, बट यू गाइज आर मेकिंग इट पॉसिबल ब्रो. सो सिद्धार्थ, वेरी गुड, वेल डन. समीर, आप हारे नहीं हो, आप जीते हो और आप आगे जाके और बहुत आगे आगे बढ़ोगे, वर्ल्ड तक जाओगे, वर्ल्ड लेवल तक जाओगे और मेरा सपना आप लोग पूरा करोगे. वेल डन. और इतना मार खाना आसान नहीं है, याद है ना, इतना मार खाना आसान नहीं, उसके बाद भी आप खड़े हुए. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू गाइस.
और एक्साइटिंग बात यह है कि चलो मैं तो एक्साइट हो रहा था, अली भाई एक्साइट हो रहे थे, लेकिन जितना मेरा ध्यान आप लोगों पे था उतनी मेरी ध्यान ऑडियंस के ऊपर थी. एंड द ऑडियंस हैज बीन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. मैं हर लड़कियों को देख रहा था, हर पंच को वो लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे थे, नाच रहे थे. सो दिस इज जेन्युइन. मेरे कुछ दोस्त बैठे हुए हैं क्राउड में, वो ये सुन के आए थे कि फाइट्स एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी हो रहे हैं, और उनकी एक्साइटमेंट देख के, मेरी स्टाफ की एक्साइटमेंट देख के मुझे डेफिनेटली ये महसूस हुआ कि आज फाइट नाइट 1 के बाद ये दूसरी रात फाइट नाइट की, बोथ एक्स्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी. प्राउड ऑफ यू किड्स यार, सुपर्ब.